To replace the ETC-1 timer of your 14,000 series Big Dipper, you will need needle nose pliers and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by unplugging the center module and removing it from the unit. Move the center module to an adequately clean workspace. Remove the 8 screws in the housing and keep them for reattaching the housing. There are 2 screws on the front, 1 on each side, and 4 screws on the back. Remove the top cover and disconnect the white jog switch if present by squeezing the bottom of the jog switch. Set aside the top and front covers. Remove the 2 screws from the timer housing and keep them. Pull the timer out using the needle nose pliers. Remove the connectors. We recommend taking a photo before removing the connectors to ensure that they are put back in the correct order. Install the new timer by attaching the connectors. Place new timer back into position and attach using the save screws. Place the front cover onto the center module. If present, reconnect the jog switch and place the top cover on the center module. Replace the 8 screws in the housing, 4 in the back, 1 on each side, and 2 on the front. Replace the center module on the unit and secure the inlet and outlet wings into place. Power the center module and reset the timer to local time and optimal run settings.